Illumagear 6 Sense Plus Halo SL, safety and visibility. Safety should never be compromised on the job site. The Illumagear 6 Sense Plus Halo SL is a voltage detector and headlamp combo that's a must-have for electricians. It covers a wide range of frequencies and voltages, ensuring your safety during emergency repairs and restoration tasks. SKYLOTEC's advanced communication headsets. Say goodbye to shouting over the noise of circular saws and forklifts. SKYLOTEC offers communication headsets with adjustable volume, Bluetooth compatibility, and an impressive range of up to 488 meters. Stay connected and protect your hearing while working in tough environments. SKYLOTEC ACX, the ultimate winch for high-altitude jobs. Imagine tackling high-altitude jobs like fixing wind turbines or power lines with ease. The SKYLOTEC ACX is a game-changer. This powerful winch can move at speeds of up to 24 meters per minute, operate for 200 minutes on a single charge, and carry a 100-kilogram load. With remote control capabilities and exceptional speed, it's a safer, quicker, and more comfortable option for your high-altitude tasks. HP SitePrint, precision digital layouts with lightning speed. HP SitePrint is a revolutionary robot designed to get digital layouts onto the floor 10 times faster than a human. This innovation works on various surfaces and can handle obstacles up to 20 millimeters in height. With cloud technology, you can control one or more robots remotely. Improve efficiency and precision on your construction projects. TerraTrack R1, mapping tool for horizontal directional drilling. Create precise layouts for future tasks with the TerraTrack R1 mapping tool. This mobile app displays slopes, obstacles, waypoints, and utilities, even without GPS. With durability for over 10 years, a 40-hour battery life, and portability, it's the perfect tool for horizontal directional drilling. Trimble RI, total station for precise measurements. Precise measurements are critical in construction. Trimble RI is an automated robotic total station that reduces operating time by half. With 4.5 hours of measurement capability on a single charge, it's the perfect tool for surveying and construction tasks. Gedda Acculator LIFT, solar panel hoist. Solar energy is on the rise, and the Gedda Acculator LIFT is here to simplify solar panel installation. Capable of lifting up to 120 kilograms, it offers adjustable lifting height and speed. Get the job done efficiently and affordably with this versatile hoist. Makita PDC-01 and 1200 backpack battery system, power your tools like never before. Makita brings you the future of power with the PDC-01 and 1200 backpack battery system. This innovative backpack can accommodate up to 4 batteries and is compatible with various tools. It's your solution for uninterrupted power on the job site, making your work more efficient and productive. Klein Tools Tradesman Pro Magnetic Wristband, your convenient companion. No more fumbling for bits and screws. The Klein Tools Magnetic Wristband keeps everything you need at your fingertips. Lightweight and versatile, wear it on your arm or attach it to your belt. Stay organized and save time while working. Delmag Frosch F5 F10, hammering excellence. Finally, a hammer that's as reliable as it is beautiful. The Delmag Frosch F5 F10 hammers rely on a free piston combustion engine, providing straightforward and reliable operation. These hammers have a wide range of applications, from compacting soil to tamping gravel. Trimble XR10, Microsoft's mixed reality glasses for construction. Microsoft's Trimble XR10 takes mixed reality to the next level. Built on the well-known HoloLens platform, these glasses are designed for dusty and noisy construction environments. With 2K resolution, humidity and temperature resistance, and the ability to wear them with your regular glasses, these glasses are perfect for visualizing your construction plans on the job site. One Exo0G, robotic arm for effortless lifting. Excessive lifting can lead to injuries and reduced efficiency. Exo0G introduces a robotic arm that effortlessly lifts tools and loads up to 16 kilograms. Whether you're using impact wrenches, pneumatic hammers, or riveters, this arm is your reliable assistant. Boost worker morale and reduce exertion with this innovative gadget. ExoHeaver, heavy lifting exoskeleton. The ExoHeaver exoskeleton series is designed to reduce strain on workers, capable of lifting up to 60 kilograms. Ideal for various industries, including mining and construction, this exoskeleton includes advanced sensors for workspace monitoring, making it a versatile tool on the job site. Forged air respirators for comfort and communication. Stay comfortable and communicate easily with forged air respirators. Featuring the largest surface area filters on the market, these respirators accommodate various filters and offer fog-free visors. Ensure safety and clear communication in challenging environments. Pezzle Rambler Fast, high-quality work shoes. Italian craftsmanship meets high-quality work shoes with Pezzle Rambler Fast. These stylish and durable shoes provide puncture protection, impact resistance, and a waterproof, breathable membrane lining. Keep your feet protected and comfortable on the job.